Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. This time we have a Disney Pixar Cars, and it's from the movie Cars 1, Manny Flywheel, the original N2O Cola Racer. As you can tell, the package is new for 2021, as in now all cars are now say metal, which means the cars are now made of metal. On the back here are the other cars. Let's get Manny Flywheel out of his box. So on the side here, we have Parker Brixton, who is the Cars 3 veteran N2O Cola Racer. So the difference is between these two, first, is that Parker Brixton is light purple with green, while Manny Flywheel is a bit of a lightish purple with yellowish green. And the N2O Cola logo is different, and instead of having the two, it's very small, whereas the two is a lot bigger in this one. So I can tell the wheels are gray and with white rims. It has the basic Cars 1 shape of the smaller versions of them. So the 68 font is a little different on both of them as well. So if you see him in the Cars 1 movie, it's usually in the first race. So yeah, that's the only time you'll ever see this car, basically. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.